Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Aweber. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new order in WooCommerce, we want to create a subscriber in Aweber. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Aweber is an email marketing software. Although WooCommerce and Aweber have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will go to this product section over here, and here you can see Connect. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in from this option over here. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so I will scroll down now, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this plus button over here. Okay, so now I'll name this workflow. So I'm going to name it as WooCommerce to Aweber. Okay, so now I'll create it. Okay, so here in this workflow, we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Aweber using Pabbly Connect. So first I'm going to integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Aweber with Pabbly Connect. So first I'll choose WooCommerce over here. Okay, so now in choose method, you can see we have many trigger methods available. According to our workflow, whenever a new order is created in WooCommerce, we want to add subscribers in Aweber. That is why here new order created is going to be my trigger. Now you might raise a question that what is trigger? What am I saying? So let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new order is created in WooCommerce, add them as subscribers in Aweber. So new order created in WooCommerce is going to be our trigger, whereas creating subscribers in Aweber is going to be our action. So you can see we have many other trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get any trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com, and our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. So I'll click on new order created now. Okay, so after selecting the app and choosing the method, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. Now you again might have a question in your mind that what is this webhook URL? So let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can read these instructions written over here. So I'm going to copy the webhook URL from here, and I'll go to my WooCommerce account. So I've already opened my WooCommerce account over here, and here I'm going to click on settings. Okay, so now you can see this advanced tab over here. So I'm going to click on it, and here you can see the webhooks. Okay, so now I'm going to add the webhook. Okay, so now let us give a name to this webhook. So I'm going to give it as WooCommerce to Aweber. Okay, status is going to be active. Topic is order created. Order, this one. So delivery URL, you have to paste the webhook URL that you copied from Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to save the webhook. Okay, so I'll just save it again. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now from here we are going to click on capture webhook response. Now because we have already pasted this webhook URL inside WooCommerce, now whenever there is any activity in WooCommerce, the information would come and get stored in this webhook URL. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it's time to create a new order in WooCommerce. So I have already opened this page where I'll order a OnePlus phone. So I'll just add it to cart. Okay, you can see the details written over here. So I'll just go down and I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so now billing details, first name, last name. So I'll just let the name be same, Ria D'Souza, fine. Company name is Hero, India. And then address is here. Everything is written over here. I'll just go down and I'm going to place the order. Okay, so you can see thank you, your order has been received. That means we have successfully placed our order for ria15@gmail.com. Okay, so we have bought the OnePlus phone and the address details are here. Okay, so I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see it has already captured the webhook response over here. Let us go down. Okay, the name is Ria, last name is D'Souza, company is Hero, address is here, email is here, number is also here. So I'll just save it. Okay, so we have successfully finished our first step integration where we have integrated WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Aweber and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button from here. Okay. So here I am going to choose Aweber, this one. And in choose method, we want as soon as a new order is created in WooCommerce, we want to add subscriber in Aweber. So add subscriber is our action method over here. You can see we have many other action methods as well. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow need. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you to look for your specific action method. So I'll click on this add subscriber over here. Okay, so now connect with Aweber. Okay, so now create new or select existing credentials. You don't have to worry. In new credentials, connect with Aweber. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now it is asking us to authorize. So I just have to enter my login name and password over here. Allow access. You don't have to worry about your data. It is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on OK. You can see the authorization is successful. So now here we have these empty fields and we are going to get the information that we have got from our webhook response. So we'll just map this information from here in these empty fields. First, account ID. So select account ID. This account ID is the account ID that is there in your Aweber. So it is already mapping this number. So this is my account ID. So list ID. So now you might have some list in your Aweber. I'll show you. If I go to these lists over here. So I only have this one list, Ashi Rai's list over here, and I want the subscribers to be added to this list. If you want, you can also create a list by clicking on this button over here. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll let it be Ashi Rai's list. If you click on this, if you have any other list in your account, it will be displayed over here. So I'll let it be Ashi Rai's list, full name. Now let us map the name of our subscriber, Ria, last name, D'Souza. Okay, so Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can map your first name and last name as well together. So now we'll come to email. So email of the subscriber, it's here. Okay, so we have filled all the details. Now I'll go and click on save and send test request. So you can see API response. That means we have finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber. So I'll just save it. Okay. Now it's time to go back to Aweber and see if a subscriber called Ria D'Souza is added there or not. So I'll go to lists and I'll go to my subscribers. I'll just click on this added today. You can see Ria D'Souza, the email is here. So now what we have done is we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber. Now what I am going to do is I am going to show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So this time I'm going to order a new thing. So I'm going to order a Apple Watch Series 5. I'll just add it to cart. Okay, so we're going to buy Apple Watch Series 5 and I'll just go down and I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. Okay, so I'll let the name be same and I'll go down and I'll just change the email. So I'll enter it as darius15@pabbly.com. Okay, so now I'll go down and I'm going to place the order. Okay, so you can see we have successfully placed an order for Darius and you can see we have bought Apple Watch Series 5. Okay, so now it's time to go back to Aweber and see if a new subscriber is created with the name Darius or not. So I'll go to subscribers. Okay, so I'll just refresh this. And I'll go to add it today. Okay, so you can see Darius is over here with the email here, darius15@pabbly.com. So we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll show you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first the information would have come from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect and then it came from Pabbly Connect to Aweber. So now whenever a new order is created in WooCommerce, a subscriber will be added in Aweber. So we have successfully finished our integration of WooCommerce and Aweber using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.